Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Karen Vanessa Herrera y el día de hoy voy a realizar la escena de Phoebe en la serie Friends con el capítulo No hagas algo estúpido. Iniciamos.
I saw it.
I'm sad.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm talking about that which you already know but won't admit. You know, that you love her again. You re-love her.
I'm thinking about that and you already know, but now I meet you. Now you love her again and you re-love her.
Look, I do not re-love her.
Can't believe you won't just admit it. Okay, just promise me that you won't do anything stupid.
Look, we're just...
I can't believe won't just admit it. Okay? Just promise. My time you know do anything stupid.
friends now, okay? Why would I do anything stupid?
Well, the apartment is already subletted. I mean, this is just hopeless. I'm never going to find anything.
You can live with me.
What? What?
What?
What?
Oh my God, are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
I would love to live with you, Ross. That's great. Thank you.
I'm just glad I could, help you out.
Wow, I'm so happy for you guys. This is so not stupid.
Wow, I'm so happy for you guys. This is so not stupid.
Ross, you have no idea what this means to me. I mean, I was going to be homeless. You've just saved me. You're my hero.
Oh, hero? I don't know. Well, all right.
I have to go tell Monica what a wonderful brother she has. Oh,
Oh, please. You're gonna say things now, aren't you?
No, I won't.
No, I won't.
But I should tell you this.
But she'll tell you it is.
This exact same thing happened to my roommate Denise. She moved in with
This happened my roommate Denise.
a guy who was secretly married to her, and he said he didn't love her, but he really did.
She married a guy was secretly married to her.
And it just blew up. And that's how she ended up living with me.
A Zion did love her, but he really did, and it just blew up. And that's how she ended up living with me.
Okay, that's a lie.
Okay, that's a lie.
You don't have a roommate?
Denise! No one ever listens to me!
Denise, no one ever listened to me. Bueno, muchas gracias.